I'm happy to be with you today. We will be making Nigerian plantain pottage. And please don't forget at the end of the video to like, comment and subscribe. To make Nigerian plantain pottage, you will need the following ingredients: 2 ripe plantains, 2 green plantains. It tastes better when you mix the 2 together, so that's why I'm doing it that way. You also need 2 tablespoons of red oil, 1.5 cup of chopped spinach, some smoked catfish, and some smoked mackerel fish. Also, you will need 2 medium tomatoes, 1 red bell sweet pepper, 1 red orange pepper, 1 medium onion, 4 chili peppers, and put all that in a blender and blend it. So in your saucepan, you scoop your 2 tablespoons of red oil and let it melt. And then you can add your, remember in here we have the red bell pepper, medium onion, red orange pepper, and a couple of chili pepper. So you pour it inside. If you notice, my pepper is not complete, it's not smooth, because it would be nice to have for you to see the onions and red bell pepper on top of the plantain. And it's good to cook the sauce for a little bit. So you want the sauce to be nice, tasty, and really good before adding it. So you cook your sauce for a little bit. In here I have the crayfish, Nigerian crayfish. This is the white crayfish. You can always use the red one as well. So you can, I'm going to use 4 scoops because I'm not using any Maggi cube. No MSG in my sauce. So I like everything to be nice, natural. 4 scoops of that. This is my seasoning salt. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic cloves, and I have in here my smoked catfish. This is also from Nigeria. It's already been pre-washed. It's ready to go. And my mackerel, smoked mackerel fish. I made the mackerel fish myself. I smoked it at home. So now you mix it all together. Mix it all together and let it cook for about 7 minutes. Okay, in here I have my diced plantain, the 2 green plantain and the 2 ripe plantains. And the sauce is really nice. I'm going to add the plantain to it. And then I will let it cook. Plantain cook really fast, so just give it like 7 minutes. And at medium heat, because in Saladmaster cookware we don't cook with high heat, just medium heat will be fine. So it's looking good. Mix it nicely together and let it cook. Okay, so I have 1 cup of water right here. this will be enough to cook the plantain with the sauce. So this, let's leave it for the next 7 minutes. Okay, now let's see how the plantain pottage is doing. Oh, it's looking good. It's really nice. So now the last thing I'm going to do, okay, I'm turning the heat off. I'm going to add some spinach to it. Wow, this is good. I wish you are all here to have lunch. You know, with plantain, Nigerian plantain pottage, you can use it for lunch, for dinner, or you can also have it for breakfast. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, you make it, you enjoy it any time of the day. Wow, it's looking really nice and good. So I'm just going to cover it. You know, just the pot is still nice and warm, and that will just blend in with the spinach and will be good. Okay, let's see the finished product. Wow, this is good. Well, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Look, this is my Nigerian pottage. I wish you are here to come and have some. It's looking really good, smells good, and I'm sure you will love it. Okay, thanks for joining me today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love you all, and bye for now.